Hey, what's up chaps? Today I'd like to show you a little tip that you can use when you're traveling abroad and you don't want to take up a lot of space in your luggage. So for those of you who like to blend fruit and also like to travel, get yourself one of these, a stick blender. So I'm going to show you how you can use it in a pragmatic way. So let's say you're going to Thailand or whatever and you got yourself your rice cooker there. You can use a stick blender and use the pot of the rice cooker, the little pan in the rice cooker, and blend your fruit in that pan. At home I use one of these pots since I don't have a rice cooker, and I blend my fruit in here because I like to get some extra calories in. I like to get some extra sugar in the form of a shake. So I'm going to put the bananas in here and put the sugar in here, and then I'll show you once I blend it. Okay, so we got about 2 kilos of bananas in here, 100 grams of sugar, light brown sugar. That tastes pretty good. This is going to be about 2,200 calories or so. I think this is about a 200 watt stick blender, so not that much power, but it's definitely powerful enough to blend bananas, for sure. And you can probably blend dates in it too. So let's see how this works. And there we go. Done.
Are you going to cook that?
Yeah. No more raw till for just cook food all day long.